BSF MNC Adult Battalion Ukrul, led by SI Nilesh Yadav. The BSF stands as one of India's strongest shields, known by the acronym India's first line of defense, was raised on 1st December 1965 for guarding our borders.
Please put your hands together for NCC Pettigrew College, marching with precision and passion. NCC Unit 65 Girls of Pettigrew College has produced quite a number of fine young girls cadets and symbolized courage, discipline, leadership, and sportsmanship. NCC Pettigrew College was led by Sergeant King Mahmood and Flight Commander Sergeant Sami Manvi.
Now we have NCC St. Joseph College, led by SK Warshonte, Senior Under Officer, and Bank Commander Ning Zawi Sare.
NCC St. Joseph Girls Cadet with impeccable discipline and presence. The March Past. The St. Joseph College NCC unit was set up in 2020. During the parade, many cadets have participated in national events.
Now we have NCC Ukrul Higher Secondary School combined, led by Honbam Raina.
The NCC Cadet Corps at Ukrul Higher Secondary School was raised in the year 1968. And it was the first NCC unit to be raised in We have the disciplined and dynamic contingent from the Ukrul Higher Secondary School. Ukrul Higher Secondary School was established in the year 1952 by the government of Manipur. The school has a well-established high school and secondary level education system. At the secondary level, the school offers a diverse range of streams, including arts, science, the range of streams allows students to explore their interests and aptitudes.
Approaching towards the podium, we have Ukrul Higher Secondary School girls, led by Judy Kashu.
Coming up next is Kendriya Vidyalaya Ukrul Boys Contingent led by Somarino. With every step, they displayed their dedication and teamwork, showcasing their unity and spirit. Kendriya Vidyalaya Ukrul stands as an emblem of holistic learning and academic achievement. The school upholds the legacy of delivering quality education to the children of transferable central government employees and the wider
Next we have the Kendriya Vidyalaya Ukrul girls, led by Alexi.
Approaching next is Little Angels English School Boys Contingent, led by Tansing Bora. The impressive and inspiring contingents of Little Angels English School. Little Angels English School was established in 1984 in fond memory of late Yang Vishnu Shaisa, the first tribal chief minister of Manipur. It was his wish to promote science and mathematics among the tribals of Manipur. In 2011, the school was further upgraded to 10+2. It is a co-educational English medium school.
Now we have the Little Angels English School girls led by Shonmi Machino. Approaching next we have the Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School boys led by Zangasum Bahum.
Marching with praise and with years, Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School. The school was established in 1953. The school has truth and duty as its motto. The school has students from nursery to class 12 in arts and science.
Now we have the Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School girls led by Amina Ulo. The school regularly organizes curricular and extracurricular activities to create genuine interest in the students and in the sphere of intellectual, cultural, and social development.
Model High School Bukru, dynamic team marching with pride and purpose. Model High School Bukru boys and girls is led by Samak Newborn. The school was established in 1959 with a total number of 320 students. The school is running its 65 years in the service of the district at present. The school has representatives on state and national level competition.
This is Model High School Bukru girls led by Triaran Siddiq.
School was established in 1979 with the motto, imparting knowledge through inspiration. Here comes the energetic and enthusiastic contingent from Xavier High School, led by Pacing Brilliant. Xavier High School Woodlow is an English medium private school and a visual institution founded in London. It is recognized by the Board of Secondary Education Management and offers classes for primary Next, we have the girls contingent from Xavier High School. Xavier High School girls contingent led by Asara Papa. Xavier High School continues to be a leading light in the educational landscape. Next, we have the discipline and dynamic team from Woodlow Central School led by L. Sylvia Schurer. Woodlow Central School was established in 2018 with a motto, harmonious growth of physical, mental, and spiritual aspects of health.
Joseph Patrick Organization! Sunday! Take!
We have the social school board led by Chancellor from the St. Mary's School Ukru was established in the year 2011 under the motto Knowledge, Virtue, and Wisdom, offering